Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your principal course instructor, Miss Anika Saidzia from University of Education, Bank Road Campus, Lahore for the subject of advanced painting, and the course code is FINE 4134. First we will see the course outline of your subject. Your first topic is introduction, then there is looking back to the past. The third topic is monochromatic tonal painting. Then there is importance of symbolic elements, practical assignments on composition, practical assignments on compositions. Then there will be preliminary sketches, painting on myself, master copy in which you will use a mirror, note a photograph, introduction project on color harmony, modern concepts, social thoughts, self-portrait using palette knife technique. After World War II, reclined foreshortened figure pose, color shape composition, portrait painting, self portrait from mirror or trait painting. Today we are going to start our lecture number 23, and today's topic is how to portray social themes in your painting. So today we are going to discuss some artists who are already working on the social themes, and we will see that how they have used different symbols and elements to portray different social issues in their paintings. Wasim Ahmed is one of the miniature artists of Pakistan. His work is inspired by the current political and social issues. He has used historically iconic images such as the Greek god of war to showcase what is happening these days politically and socially. There is another female artist after Wasim Ahmed. Her name is Muniba Khurram, and she's a mixed media artist and believes in depicting ethnic Jews of her region in an abstract way. Some of her work was purely abstract, which depicted the human expressions, their thoughts, and dreams. Her paintings gave the message of living life and represented the real personality of the artist. We can say that her work is self explanatory because she used to portray her own experiences, and he used to share her own experiences and observation in her paintings. It is not easy to paint with a free mind when you are wheelchair bound, according to her, she used to say. Yet I know it is the only way to spread the message of strength and courage. So basically, she used to talk about the woman empowerment, and also this is the theme which she used to believe in. She used to say, "So I got forget my pain and paint for myself. I paint for people with the hope that they never give up either," said Muniba Khurram. The third artist which we used to discuss um after Muniba is Phrase. Sorry, the different elements come together to form a narrative in which the female protagonist takes charge. This is the title of the painting, The Tiger Under My Feet. In this painting, the image of Nawabs posing for a photograph recedes into the background. The female character reclining on her red sofa with the tiger skin under her feet takes the dominant position. So we can say that in this painting, various symbols and various metaphors have been used as the skin of tiger symbolizes the strength and power, and female has been painted in a very dominant posture, and she has given the more prominent space in the foreground as compared to the family portrait of Nawabs. It has been set in the perspective far away as it has been of less importance. It leaves the task of finding a narrative for her choice of animal on the viewer. So, in her case, the repetitive usage of a monkey positioned next to the strong female protagonist, one cannot help but think whether the monkey is a comment on the opposite gender. So basically, we can say that she is supposed to mock, or she used to criticize the male gender by replacing it with a figure of monkey. And as you can see in this painting, in this image on the top left, there is a fragment of the very famous painting by the artist Ang, which belongs to the movement New Classicism. So it is a very famous painting by the artist Ang of New Classicism, and the title of the painting was Reclining Odalisque. Quratulain Dar. The oil paintings on canvas titled The Blue Bird by Quratulain Dar depict recognizably older men looking indifferent with a dark, ominous background. The skin is painted keeping light in mind, and the palette tilts towards the ochre. There is another artist who used to highlight the social issues named Shoaib Mehmood. Shoaib Mehmood touch upon different aspects of Pakistani culture in their latest show of miniature art. He is basically the miniature artist. Mehmood ventures into the debate on loss of culture and identity, as he has painted two identical male figures at the right side and also on the left side. And as you can see, they have covered their faces in the shirts as their faces are not recognizable. We are It's hard for us to identify the actual identity or personality of the person. So basically, it relates with his idea, and he has intentionally did this, has painted the figures with their heads hiding in the shirts. Aleena Mazhar. Aleena Mazhar's paintings portrayed the current scenario of migration of people to safer grounds due to security reasons. She focused on the displacement process and the agony of people leaving behind their land and property in fear of life. So as you can see in this painting, there is aerial view has been captured, and no one is identifiable. Faces are hidden. Only we can recognize through the drapery. Hardly any portrait is visible in this painting, and there's a crowd of people doing migration. Maha Rehan. Maha Rehan paintings depicted abstract figurative art, imaginary work. She captured rare moments in life and love, her compositions having bold colors balanced by lighter tones. As you can see, she has used a symbol or a figure of a newly born baby as a metaphor for life, and all these linear uh, lines depict the various aspects of life, various phases of a life of a human being. So that's it. Thank you.